Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the frustrating iPhone is disabled issue. This error usually appears after entering the wrong passcode multiple times. But don't worry, whether you want to restore access without losing data or start fresh, I have got you fully covered. That's it, let's get started. So first off, let's understand why this error occurs. Know that Apple locks your iPhone as a security measure after multiple incorrect attempts. This exact lockout duration increases with each failed attempt, and eventually your iPhone may display iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes. Now talking about the first solution, let's learn how to fix iPhone is disabled using iCloud's Find My feature. Note that it works when you have the Find My iPhone enabled on your device. To get going, open a browser and then head over to iCloud.com on a computer or another device and log in with your Apple ID and password. And then you have to select your disabled iPhone from the list of devices. And then you have to click on Erase iPhone to remove all data including the passcode. And once you have successfully erased your iPhone, you can restore your data from an iCloud or computer backup. Next up, let's learn how to fix iPhone is disabled error using the recovery mode. Note that for this purpose, you will need a computer. If you're using a Windows device, ensure that the iTunes app is installed on your computer. To get going, you have to connect your iPhone to your Mac or Windows device using a compatible USB cable. And then you have to put your iPhone into the recovery mode. To do so, you have to press and release the volume up button, and then you have to press and release the volume down button, and then you have to hold down the side button, aka the power button, until you see the recovery mode on the screen. Now, iTunes or Finder will detect the iPhone in the recovery mode and prompt you to restore or update the device. Then you have to choose Restore to erase the device and its passcode. And then you can set up your iPhone again and restore your data from a backup. However, if neither option works for you, I would recommend you to contact Apple support, especially if you are locked out of Apple ID on your device. Be prepared to provide proof of the purchase to verify the ownership, and there you have it. By following these methods, you will be able to regain access to your iPhone in no time. Now don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. Catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.